The ranking campaigns in Amazon PPC are a little bit different from the regular campaign. So first let's discuss the difference between the ranking campaign and the regular campaign. So basically the regular campaign, you create automatic campaign, manual campaign, exact match, broad match and phrase match. So all of these campaign you start running to showcase your product to multiple group of audience. So Amazon can actually discover some new keywords for you which might be beneficial for you. So in these campaign, some campaign become profitable and some campaign go in loss. But at the end, you'll having a good amount of keywords which are super relevant keyword for you in your hand. So you can later use those keyword on exact campaign, right? So after getting those keywords, if you find some keywords like maybe 2 or 3 and you are pretty much confident on those keywords, like if you rank your product on those keywords, so you can get good traffic, good sales and good conversion. So in order to rank on all of those keywords, you need to create a ranking campaign, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create that ranking campaign to rank on any specific keyword. But before getting started, I'm having an exciting news for you because I'm giving you a chance to win a free consultation call with me. So to enroll in that lucky draw is super simple. All you have to do is comment on this video and join my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online. That's it. This is a 10-second process. So what are you waiting for? Go there, enroll yourself in that free lucky draw and get a chance to win some valuable stuff every week. And the details about the winners and the prizes you can find in that group. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here on Amazon website, I can search for any product to give you an example on how to create a ranking campaign for any product to rank on any keyword, right? So let's suppose I search for a keyword water bottle, right? So this is a product. If I search for that, you can see that this generic keyword water bottle shows me some results for the water bottle. But if I go up and see on the left side, so here it is showing me that 20,000 results. That means this is a super competitive keyword because it is a too generic keyword like water bottle. If I just ask someone like give me the water bottle, so they are confused because there are multiple variants of water bottle. Like there are plastic water bottles, there are stainless steel, kids water bottles, school water bottles, sports, gym and so on. So if I refine my search and put some more words in this keyword, so that keyword will be more specific to my product and that keyword will be less competitive, and me or any other seller want that product to be ranked on that exact super relevant and less competitive keyword. Because if somehow I pay money to PPC to rank my product on water bottle, so that will not give me sales. Because when someone search for water bottle and they see my product, so there are high chances that they will not be looking for exact water bottle which I am selling, because I might be selling for plastic water bottle and they might be searching for stainless steel, right? So first of all, if you want to rank on any keyword from PPC, you must have to make sure that keyword is super relevant, long tail and having less competition, right? So let's make this keyword super relevant. So water bottle, if I just add some other words like gym, water bottles for men, right? So this is a long tail keyword, and on the left side you can see that the competition reduced from 20,000 to 2,000, and this keyword is a long tail keyword, and this keyword is explaining the exact product which I'm looking for. So if I rank my product on that keyword, so there are high chances for the people who are searching for that keyword will purchase my product because they want gym water bottle for men, right? So after finalizing your keyword, you have to copy that keyword from here, and then you have to go on Amazon, and from there you have to go on advertising, campaign manager, and then from campaign manager you have to create a new campaign from this blue button, create campaign. So when I click on that, I will see 3 options: sponsored products, sponsored brand and sponsored display. So from here I have to click on this first one, say sponsored product, click continue, and then from this form I have to keep filling out this form, like giving the name of the campaign, selecting the product for which I want to run this campaign, and setting up the budget. And at last in the targeting I have to click on manual, and then in manual targeting I have to click on keywords because I want to target the keyword. And then after scrolling down from keyword targeting, here is the main magic happens which makes this campaign different from other regular campaigns. So here I need to uncheck the broad and phrase, and I only have to check the exact, and in the enter list keyword I only have to paste one keyword which I want to rank, right? So after putting that one keyword which I want to use in this PPC to rank my product on that keyword, so this is the difference between regular campaign and this campaign. Like in regular campaign, we can use multiple keywords, but in this campaign, we only have to use one keyword, exact, and after adding that keyword, when I click on that keyword, so Amazon will give me the suggested bid, like it is showing me right now $0.6. So if I click on add keyword, so that keyword will be added into my PPC campaign, like gym water bottle for men, match type, exact. So here I have set the suggested bid from Amazon, which is generic bid $0.6, because for this keyword Amazon is not having a suggested bid. But in 80% of the cases, might be in your case, Amazon will show like how competitive this keyword is, and it will show you the suggested bid. So first I will recommend you to go with that bid and test that campaign for 1 or 2 days. But after 1 or 2 days, if you see that campaign is not working good, so you can increase or decrease bid as per your data about impression, clicks and orders. Like if you're getting good orders, so you can increase the bids, but if you're getting less order, so you can try decreasing the bid. So in that way, if you watch this video and run that campaign for at least 7 days, and then you see that your product is started ranking on first page, maybe on last, then that means your campaign is working. So by the same way, you can create these kind of campaign for multiple keywords like 5, 10 or maybe 20 keywords, which you can find from the discovery campaigns. And once you create the ranking campaigns for all of those keywords and rank your product organically on those keywords, then you can actually get good sales from PPC and organic as well. Because if you are getting organic sales other than PPC, so at the end of the month, you will get more profit and more tech costs because your all over ad cost will be cut down. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.